Before you twist that throttle, check your emotions. If you're angry, don't ride. Anger makes you chase. It makes you prove something, and the road is not your battlefield. If your mind is heavy, distracted, you won't see the car that suddenly brakes. You won't notice the jeepney swerving. If you feel invincible, that's when riders crash. Overconfidence kills faster than lack of skill. If you're scared or anxious, your body stiffens, your reaction slows, and hesitation is dangerous in traffic. Motorcycles demand focus, not emotion, not ego, not revenge. If you feel these emotions, pause, breathe, ride when you're clear. Your life is worth more than a moment.